Welcome, my dear children. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Myself, Jyoti Kokate. Today, we will be studying subject English from Standard 3. Topic for the day is grammar and subtopic is use of quantifiers. Children, first we will understand what are quantifiers. Quantifiers indicate amounts or quantities of things. Children, in today's video, we will talk about how and when to use much, many, some, and any. Before I start the explanation, there are some things you need to understand like countable and uncountable nouns. So let's revise. What are countable nouns? Countable nouns are the nouns that can be counted. For example, dog, crocodile, boy, and umbrella are examples of countable noun because we can count them. Children, now we will see what are uncountable nouns. Uncountable nouns are the nouns that cannot be counted. Example, water, sugar and milk. You know that, children? We cannot count water, sugar and milk. Children, now we will see how and when the word many is used. The word many is used with plural countable nouns and mainly used in questions and negative sentences. Children, now look at the sentence. The little boy has many toys. This is a positive sentence, and in this sentence, the word toys is a plural countable noun. So, we use the word many in the sentence. And the sentence will be, the little boy has many toys. Now, let's see the next example. Neeta has many friends. Children, in this sentence, the word friends is a plural countable noun because we can count the friends. So, we will use the word many in the sentence. And the sentence is, Neeta has many friends. Children, now look at the next example. Mona has many pets. In this example, the word pets is a plural countable noun. So, we use the word many in the sentence. And our sentence will be, Mona has many pets. Children, look at the next example. How many cookies do you want? In this sentence, the word cookies is a plural countable noun. And when we ask questions, we use the word many in the sentence. So, our sentence is, how many cookies do you want? Children, now look at this sentence. There aren't many cars on the highway today. In this sentence, the word cars is a plural countable noun. Children, we use the word many in negative sentence also. So, our sentence will be, there aren't many cars on the highway today. Now let's see when and how to use much in the sentences. The word much is used with uncountable nouns and usually used in questions and negative sentences. Children, look at this example. We use the word much in negative sentence also. Now look at the word time. Is it a countable noun? No. The word time is an uncountable noun because we cannot count it. And this is a negative sentence. So we use the word much in the sentence. And our sentence will be, you don't have much time before the bus leaves. Children, now look at the sentence. How much milk have you got? In this sentence, the word milk is an uncountable noun because we cannot count the milk. Children, we can count the bottles and glass but not milk. And when we ask questions, we use the word much in the sentence. So our sentence will be, how much milk have you got? Children, now look at this sentence. I didn't get much sleep last night. When we use the word much, children, we use the word much in negative sentences, and this is a negative sentence. Now look at the word sleep. The word sleep is an uncountable noun because we cannot count the sleep. So we use much in the sentence, and our sentence will be, I didn't get much sleep last night. Now look at the screen. There isn't much sugar in my coffee. Children, this is a negative sentence, and the word sugar is an uncountable noun because we cannot count the sugar. So we use the word much in the sentence, and our sentence will be, there isn't much sugar in my coffee. Children, now we will be learning when and how to use the word some in our sentences. The word some is used with both countable and uncountable nouns, positive sentences, offering and request. For example, some friends, some boys, some money, etc. Children, here is an example. Sam has some friends with him. This is a positive sentence, and we use some for positive sentence. Now look at the word friends. The word friends is a countable noun because we can count the friends. So we use some in the sentence, and the sentence is, Sam had some friends with him. Now look at the second example. Some boys were practicing cricket. We use some with countable noun, and in this sentence the word boys is a countable noun, and we use some for positive sentence. So our sentence is, some boys were practicing cricket. Now next example is, he bought some iced tea for his friends. Children, iced tea is an uncountable noun and this is a positive sentence. So, we use the word some in our sentence. And our sentence is, he bought some iced tea for his friends. Now the next example is, would you like some coffee? See children, here we are offering. So we use the word some and the word coffee is an uncountable noun because we cannot count the coffee. So we use the word some in our sentence and our sentence is, would you like some coffee? Now, next sentence is, could I borrow some money please? Children, here we are requesting and the word money is an uncountable noun because we cannot count the money. So, we use the word some in our sentence. And the sentence is, could I borrow some money please? Children, let's see one more example. Can I have some water please? Children, we use some because the word water is an uncountable noun and it is an interrogative sentence in which someone is requesting. So we use some in the sentence and the sentence is, can I have some water please? Now let us see the next example. Could I take some color pencils please? Children, in this sentence we use some because the word color pencils is a plural countable noun. We can count the pencil and this is also an interrogative sentence in which someone is requesting. So, the sentence is, could I take some color pencils please? Let's have a look on one more example. Can I have some cake please? Children, in this sentence, someone is requesting and the word cake is an uncountable noun which we cannot count. So, we use the word some in the sentence and the sentence is, can I have some cake please? Children, let's see the sentence. Can I borrow some notebooks please? In this sentence, the word notebooks is a countable noun because we can count the notebooks and someone is requesting. So, we use the word some in the sentence. Can I borrow some notebooks please? Children, now we will talk about how and when to use the word any in the sentences. The word any is used with both countable and uncountable nouns, usually used in negative sentences and questions. Let's see the examples. Now, let's see the example. I don't want to drink any fruit juice. Children, we use the word any in negative sentence. In this sentence, the word fruit juice is an uncountable noun because we cannot count it. So, we use the word any in the sentence. And the sentence is, I don't want to drink any fruit juice. Children, now look at the second example. You can borrow any books from me. In this sentence, the word books is a countable noun because we can count the books. So we will use any in the sentence. You can borrow any books from me. Let's see the third example. Did you get any bread at the supermarket? Children, when we ask questions, we use the word any in the sentence. And the word bread is an uncountable noun in the sentence. So, we use the word any in our sentence. And the sentence is, did you get any bread at the supermarket? Now let's see the fourth example. I haven't had any breakfast this morning. Children, this is a negative sentence and the word breakfast is an uncountable noun. So we use the word any in the sentence. And the sentence is, I haven't had any breakfast this morning. Now, let's see the next example. Do you have any brothers or sisters? Children, in this sentence, there is a question mark at the end. It means this is an interrogative sentence. And the word brothers is a countable noun. So, we use the word any in the sentence. And the sentence is, do you have any brothers or sisters? Children, now it's a exercise time and you will be doing the exercise in your notebook. Fill in the blanks using the right word from the brackets. Number 1. There are dash girls in the room. Number 2. There isn't dash water in the pond. Number 3. The little boy has dash toys. Number 4. Nipa doesn't know dash answer. Number 5. How dash boys have done the sums. Children, now it's a homework time and you will be doing the homework in your notebook. Make sentences with the words given below. Each sentence should have some, any, much or many in it. One example is done for you. First one, pebbles. There are many pebbles near the seashore. Second, ink. Third, salt. Fourth, seeds. Fifth, coffee. Sixth, bananas. Children, you will be making the sentence. Thank you children for watching this video.